Campari bitter, very nice, very nice. I love this one. Hello guys, I am Miku and thank you so much. 10,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I never believe it. But here we are. Thank you so much Tutoriale PC, and thank you so much Ale and Ale Play channel. Thank you so much also for all the channels watching me from United States, UK, Dominican Republic and so and so. And yes, I will put an analytic and you can see how many per percent they are watching me from around the world and also from Romania. Mulțumesc foarte mult, guys! O să vă spun de ce acest canal este în engleză, pentru că așa l-am început și este în engleză. So, let's start again with a little bit of story what we are doing on this channel. This channel I created last at a suggestion from a lot of friends, and that suggestion was to show them how I modify the and I'm mixing the cocktails I creating by drinking with my friends around the world and around the countries. And with this moment I also salute my friends from Trinidad and Tobago. I love you guys and I miss you so much. My friends from Panama, my friends from Guatemala, and yes. Okay, now what I'm doing on this channel is some drinks, also a lot of things. I don't have a good voice and that's it. Okay, now let's start a little bit another story. I cannot speak very well. Sorry for 2 weeks I don't post nothing because I was sick, and this is life. This is life. We are humans. We will be sick. I don't have even now voice, normal voice. Somebody asked me in Facebook what was my favorite drink. My favorite drinks and my favorite cocktail, it's a Manhattan, and I will just do it right now with this occasion of 10,000 subscribers with a little bit of story like always. Last night I was going to meet my friends, one of my friends invited me to a restaurant here in Santo Domingo, very nice restaurant. I was in the bar and I say I want a Manhattan, like always. I don't want to be looking, a Manhattan, I will try to be a little bit masculine, it's a masculine drink, and I try to say to them, give me a Manhattan please with 2 rocks. So the guys will say like that, okay, I don't have it. What? You don't have it? Really? I just see it from there in the ingredients. Yeah, but I cannot mix it, I don't have a shaker. And hey, my friend, you don't need a shaker for this one. You need to put it only exactly on the glass, and give me please a glass of whiskey. This is how I will put it. You'll see a lot of guys and bartenders, they are using martini glass, and you're looking like, I don't know guys, for you, but it looks, I don't know, stupid. I don't like that glasses.
Strainer, and we're simply going to pour this out, and you get a nice caramel color. Manhattans are typically served with a cherry. You'll typically see like a cheap maraschino cherry.
Yeah.
But I went a little extra today. Got a gluten-free cherry. Just goes in the center right
Nicely
there.
done.
Some people prefer not to garnish it because that is room where whiskey belongs.
I like the glass of whiskey. So I told him exactly how to do it, and I will do it for you right now, and will be very, very nice. I will using a chilled double black label, and you will see it what I will do. Directly in the glass you need to put it 2 rocks. I use it with 2 rocks, only this. And remember all the time, it's 2, 1, 2. That means 2 ounces of whiskey. Thank you for you guys. You are here with me. Thank you for 10,000. Thank you for the new subscribers. And this is amazing. It's 10 and 20 in the night. I just coming from my job where I'm working a lot, and I'm not so okay. I'm a little bit tired. From 5 AM to 9:30 I arrived at home. So 2 of whiskey, 1 of sweet vermouth. I'm using Martini Rosé. What can I say? I say all the time, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and that's it. You need to put some bitter. That guy, you don't have it on the bar. Bitter, you need to put 2 ounces of Angostura, and he have Campari, and I told him put a little bit of Campari. Anyway, the bitter is the idea, and this is the drink. And 1, 2, that's it. And this is the Manhattan. It's very easy cocktail, very nice cocktail, very masculine cocktail, and I love it all the time and doing it in a bar, especially when I'm meeting somebody, maybe nice guys and maybe important guys. I will put you to show you the bartenders using time at time with shit glass for you guys, and also they putting a sherry. Look very, I don't know, don't use that, don't drink like that, drink like this. Looks nice, smell very nice, the whiskey, sweet vermouth, a little bit of bitter, and it's amazing. Oh, amazing drink. Look how I put it, wow. Thank you once again guys, until my next video, stay cool. I will bring more for you videos. I was sick and I don't creating nothing, but right now I will go flying from this studio at home because it's coming Christmas and you need to stay with the family, and I will go back in Bucharest with this nice I have here Brugal, of course, anejo from Dominican Republic, and a special liqueur from flowers what I using a lot of cocktails. I using in a lot of cocktails. Before to do that, I need to make the video I promising you with the top 10 of the fragrances, and also I will make another one show you how many bottles I have. Somebody asked me how much bottles I have, and this is our channel guys. Open bottles time by time, special bottles from around the world. Some bottles they are very rare, some bottles they are very expensive, some bottles they are very nice, some bottles they are very, you will see it, how many bottles I have. Until my next video, stay cool. Thank you for 10,000 once again, and okay, thank you so much, thank you. Cheers. Very nice. Bye.